Okay, let's look at these doorknob hangers. They're $1.50. They're really cute. You can put those on packages, put your napkin in there if you're having a dinner. Here's the green one. This is more candy cane. So this part is different on some of them. There's a gold one. It's really pretty. Look at that. Is this one. So if you want 12, because you're having 12 people over, you may have to go to a couple different Dollar Trees or go online. Because if you are ordering online, then you have to buy in bulk. What's this one back here? Oh, that one's the cutest yet. That's probably my favorite one right there. Isn't that cute? This one I think I showed you already. Yeah. Oops. Let's move these. Okay. This one is adorable. Look at that. So cute. Do so much with it. Okay. So I don't want to overwhelm you, but better run out now. It's the middle of November. You can grab these if you want them.